I remember you said on the phone about him when he does the massage, it's not just massaging, he's moving the chi. Can you explain a little bit more about that?
Yeah, so basically his type of massages, once you open up a blockage
Hmm.
that creates the illness, the
Yeah,
energy, your own healing force begins to flow through your body.
just from
So
opening up.
from opening,
Yeah.
it's like you take a clogged drain, it's clogged. As soon as you put Drano or something in it, or the plumber comes, it opens up.
Hmm.
Nothing wrong with the pipes. It's just something that clogged it. So the
Hmm.
Tui Na removes those clogs in our body and allows the energy to flow, the chi. The other side of it, some people say prana, but it's the
Hmm.
same word. It's the energy, natural healing force of our own body that
Yeah.
begins to flow.
Yeah, the same concept.